Using seatbelts in our personal vehicles is second nature to many of us. In fact, in many countries, seatbelt use is mandatory. It's the law. When it comes to construction equipment, Caterpillar feels that seatbelt use should be second nature. Caterpillar machines contain a multitude of safety features. Few are as easy, as basic, or as important as seatbelts. For decades, Caterpillar has encouraged this common sense practice, and the operation and maintenance manual in every Caterpillar machine reminds operators that seatbelts must be worn whenever the operator is seated in the operator's compartment. However, when some operators think of seatbelts in construction equipment, they focus on the heavy trucks and wheel tractor scrapers, machines that travel at high speeds and that might be involved in a collision, just like a personal vehicle. And when they're operating a slower-moving piece of equipment or a compact machine, they might be tempted to conclude that a seatbelt isn't necessary. Fast or slow, big or small, it makes no difference. That's because your seatbelt does much more than just help protect you in the event of a high-speed collision. In fact, one of the most important ways in which your seatbelt protects you is in the event of a machine rollover or tip-over. In situations like these, your seatbelt is a critical component of a larger system that Caterpillar and other machine manufacturers use to keep you safe. If a machine rolls or tips, your seatbelt is intended to keep you within the protected space provided by your machine's rollover protective structure, or ROPS. The fact is that over the years, Caterpillar data has consistently shown that operators who wear their seatbelts and thereby remain in the protected space of the ROPS have a dramatically improved chance of walking away unharmed from a rollover, tip-over, or sudden stop. If you have any doubt about the need for seatbelts in situations like these, look at these actual accident photographs. Every one of these operators escaped serious injury and is a true believer in the importance of using seatbelts. So remember, seatbelts are not just for the big machines or the fast machines, and they're not just for your personal vehicle. They're there for your safety, and that's something that you should never compromise.